Okay, so I set it on easy. This is what comes up for easy. Like, excuse me? What? That's a lot of lasers for easy. So I'm gonna just demonstrate something here real quick. I'm just gonna walk through. Some of the lasers are shutting off. And notably, some of them are on. Now, I know that this sensor doesn't work. But I didn't know that sensor wasn't working either. And that's a problem. And apparently that sensor's not working. So we have more sensors out than I thought. So we got one target here, and then 2 targets over there. So I don't know if this is going to be worth it. Oh.
Please retrieve your score.